Greetings from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Technology. The title of our project is Hook Stitching Mission. This is Guna, the technical expert from the team Dark Breakers, and the team ID is 1320483, where Mr. Ashok Ramanan is the brainchild of our project, Mr. Darshan is the financial expert, and Mr. Divyan, Mr. Abhay, and Mr. Dinesh are the mechanical designers of our project. The components we are going to use in the hook stitching machine are TMD SSK 3358 and DLP 7970 ABP and Boost XL BAT PAK MKII, and we are going to use two servo motors and a stepper motor, where the TMD SSK 3358 is a low cost development platform based on the ARM Cortex A8 processor that is integrated with the options such as dual gigabit Ethernet and an LCD touchscreen. And the next component, DLP 7970BP, is an NFC transceiver boost pack. And the third component is we are going to use an Boost XL BAT PAK MKII, which acts as a fuel tank battery booster pack plug-in module. We are going to use two servo motors for the accurate position of the hook placement and a stepper motor for the continuous rotation of the stitching machine. To overcome all the drawbacks which involved in the manual stitching, our team has proposed an innovative idea which is titled as Hook Stitching Mission. The proposed idea uses DLP 7970 ABP, which acts as the controller to provide the control signals for the servos and the stepper motor. The Boost XL BAT PAKMKII is used to power the controller, and the overall process is monitored in the TMD SSK 3358. The placement of the hook is done with the mechanism which is near the needle, and the appropriate stitching is done with the correct movement of the servo according to the stepper motor's rotation. By this process, the overall time which is involved in the stitching reduces, which further results in more efficient stitching. It leads to a better product when compared to a normal tailoring machine. Different surveys had been taken among the general people and the people who are involved in the textile and the stitching industries. The first survey, which was about the use of hooks in the dress, and it had a 22 response, in which 59.1% of them said yes and 40.9% of them said no. And the next survey was about the difficulty involved in stitching them, in which 18.2% of the people said yes and 50% of them said it is medium, and 27.3% said it is hard, and 4.5% of the people said it is very hard. The next survey was about the people interested in buying the machine, in which 86.4% of the people said yes for buying and 13.6% of the people said no for buying. The last survey was about the cost of the machine, in which 63.6% of the people are ready to buy the machine when the cost is around 2000 to 5000 rupees, and 13.6% of the people are ready to buy the machine when the price is around 1000 rupees, and 18.2% of the people are ready to buy when the price is around 1000 to 2000 rupees, and at last 4.6% of the people are ready to buy the machine when the price is above 5000 rupees. The customer validation for a product has been got from three surveys, in which the first survey is for the working, where 66.67% of the people has been voted for the good working and the rest for the not good. In the second survey, for which is taken for the stitch strength and the finish, in which 66.7% of the people have gave a response of good and 33.3% have an voting for excellent strength. The last survey is for Hanley, in which 66.7% have a response of easy and 33.3% have a response for the medium.